tons of lichen everywhere. Black stuff. We got our green stuff. These are all organic stains. So there are organic stains everywhere on these two sheds. Even organic stains under this J channel. More on that later. So our process is we're going to apply our soap and we're going to let it dwell. The dwell time for buildings like these with this many organic stains is going to be a long time, because you're only going to see one application of soap in these videos, but we applied 3, maybe 4 times in some areas. So what we're looking for after our dwell time is we're looking for that green stuff and that black stuff to really lighten up, start to change color, especially for the lichen. We want the lichen to be white. After our dwell times and our applications, we're ready to rinse. So this is the beginning of our rinsing. So we start at the top and we move down. You can see to the top right of that garage door, you can see how that spot's clean. That was like our little test spot right there. See how all this lichen has changed color and is now white? That means it's ready to be removed. So with just like a little emphasis, we're not really using pressure, but we're emphasizing the volume in the gallons per minute of the pressure washer, and this stuff just pops right off. You rarely ever see lichen like this. So these buildings haven't been washed in a very, very long time, and then they're always in the shade, and that's going to promote those organic stains and that growth. So to clean it, again, we pre-treated everything, we let it dwell, and then we're just rinsing everything away. Some spots we will need to agitate with a brush, but for the most part, we can get everything off because the solution has done all the heavy lifting. This is our first rinse on this side, so the solution did all the heavy lifting for us, and then the water in the rinsing is just for the TLC. So the residuals, those heavy stains, they're gonna need a push, and that's how we get all that stuff off. And then here was the J channel. You remember how all that under there was black, green, and dingy? Now it's clean. The other building had a ton of lichen too, so we need that to turn white. So we applied 2 or 3 times. This is another application. I don't have the video of us rinsing it, but you can see that green stuff and some of those algae stains have already dissipated or lightened up. We want that lichen to be white. That tells us that it's going to be ready to clean. Here's just a few still photos, and then here is the end result for both buildings. So nice and clean, and it was a soft wash. Nothing we used was high pressure. We used our solution to really treat all those stains, and we basically have 2 new buildings. Thank you for watching.